Hi, Julie here. Just to go over our easy hose carrier that we added to our motorhome to store our black water and gray water hose. This is called Valterra, and it comes actually adjustable. It's 34 to 60 inches, so you can slide it as long or as short as you want it to be. We also removed the plastic cap that locks the cover in place for a couple reasons. One, it's more secure with a screw, so I use a screw and tighten it each time so there's no issue of it opening up. And then second, when we flushed it to the bottom of attaching to the rim there, the cap actually stuck out and hit the door. So twofold, we needed to remove it, but it was better to be more secure anyways. We simply attached it by using straps, metal straps, the same straps they were similar to using the actual sewer line that they use under the RV. So we took that and we used those straps and connected it through the one end. This is the inside area. The hose opens from both ends. And then we connected the strap to the existing black water line and tightened it with screws, and there were no additional holes outside of the holes that we did at the original outdoor cap. This not super pretty in bending the metal and attaching it, but it's very secure and doesn't bounce, isn't loose, and this end we don't open up, we just kept that locked and screwed tight. You can see we just used regular nuts and bolts to attach those metal straps. I'll have links down below for the actual carrier that you can get on Amazon. I'll put the straps on there too, although you can get the straps at Home Depot as well. And yeah, so you can see there where the extension was for extending the carrier itself. But there it is. Yep, it sits in there. We keep our hose out from the cabinet and we're good to go.